Broadcaster Piers Morgan has slammed the terrible decision for the Prime Minister to take part in a testing pilot scheme. It comes after Boris Johnson was contacted by NHS Test and Trace. Boris was contacted by Test and Trace after Health Secretary Sajid Javid confirmed he had tested positive for coronavirus. In compliance with COVID regulations, those who came in contact with Mr. Javid are to self-isolate. However, Number 10 confirmed that the Prime Minister, along with Rishi Sunak, will continue to work from Downing Street. A spokesperson said they will be participating in a daily contact testing pilot to allow them to continue to work from Downing Street, before adding that the Prime Minister and Chancellor Rishi Sunak will be conducting only essential government business. However, Piers instantly took to social media to share his thoughts. The former Good Morning Britain anchor tweeted, "What? So once again, one rule for the people setting the rules and another for the rest of us. This is a terrible decision." Over the past 16 months, Piers has frequently hit out at the government, most famously clashing with former Health Secretary, Matt Hancock. However, Piers is not the only person to share his fury after discovering that Boris and Rishi will not be isolating. One Twitter user wrote, "Is there a VIP lane for the daily testing pilot?" Another claimed, "They are literally taking the P***s out of us and they've got so used to a life of entitlement that they don't care. Genuinely nasty people run this country." Before a third tweeted, "My Year 6 is missing his final week of primary school along with his classmates, can they not have special treatment too?" Meanwhile, former Labour spin Dr. Alistair Campbell wrote, "This Johnson-Sunak test pilot scandal will cut through to the public even more directly than Cummings and Barnard Castle, and defending Hancock, did. Looking forward to collating the Tory MP cut-and-paste defences when the robots get their lines to take to send to constituents." Labour's deputy leader, Angela Rayner, has also hit out on social media, writing, "Sorry for the unparliamentary language but this just takes the P***. Not following the rules that they created and which they expect my constituents to follow. This government treats the public with contempt and think they are above the law and that the rules don't apply to them." The daily contact testing pilot launched on May 9 and aims to find out if people can replace the need to self-isolate by taking a test every day instead. A government announcement read, "A new study led by Public Health England and NHS Test and Trace will help increase understanding of how effective daily contact testing could be for people who are contacts of positive COVID-19 cases. It is to be used as an alternative to self-isolation." It continued, "Daily coronavirus tests will be given to as many as 40,000 people who have been in contact with someone who has tested positive for COVID-19, in a new government-backed study designed to gather evidence on safe alternatives to self-isolation for people who are contacts of positive COVID-19 cases."